I'm dumb. Oh shit! I'm going. Wait, is this still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my ball pen.
Oh, it's a banging it. Oh no, that's the table where you did that. Oh, that was a little too far.
Like,
Right, I think you'd be like placed over there or by my desk.
I couldn't handle it.
Stand up.
Shit.
Do I just like?
I couldn't handle it, guys. I'm sorry. It went too far and
Do I just leave the?
we pay our respects to our fallen soldier. We pay our respects. We remember.
Alright, 11:51 Chelsea.
We will. We remember. Minute of silence, please. I might never see him again. A fallen soldier has left us.
Huh?
A fallen soldier. He got relocated to Russia.
Why are you crying?
We will spend some more time.
Anyway, let's play Minecraft.
There'll be one or two
Now, like and subscribe for another video.
spend more time with this. You, Steph, and Emma. Give it to the Jared. You really focus. Emma, I need to relocate to here or there. Because I'm a normal.
Oh, where I'm teleporting for real. I'm surely going back in time. This ain't even funny anymore. Oh. Oh. I'm back. Like and subscribe for more skits.